I introduced you by saying that, the battle that the women also fight, while their men are at war mostly. I think it's a very underrated battle. What was it like for you to be a part of this role? Please tell us.
सभी को नमस्ते, गुड आफ्टरनून. आई थिंक आपने एसेंस तो बता ही दिया है मेरे किरदार का कि जो औरतें होती हैं उनकी हिम्मत के बिना उनके हस्बैंड्स बॉर्डर तक नहीं जा सकते, So there is a certain sense of vulnerability in this character, and there's also this grit and strength that she has. और ये किरदार निभाने के लिए बिल्कुल आसान नहीं था, ये मैं आपको बता सकती हूँ. जो आप रिस्ट्रेंट देखेंगे डायलॉग्स में, जो उनके साइलेंसेस हैं कैरेक्टर्स के बीच में, जो केमिस्ट्री है मेरी और फरहान सर की इस फिल्म में. आई वांट टू थैंक फरहान सर फॉर बीइंग सच एन अमेजिंग कोस्टा. आई ऑल्सो वांट टू थैंक रेजी सर बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि इस फिल्म ने मुझे चुना. और this film reminds me why I became an actor in the first place, to be a part of stories that need to be told, and I think this is one story that definitely needs to be told. मुझे भी मैंने भी सर की तरह इस कहानी के बारे में नहीं सुना था, और सुनने के बाद मुझे लगा कि ये बड़े बड़े पर्दे पर ज़रूर दिखानी चाहिए. With the technicians that we have, the brilliant technicians that we have, and I want to thank Ritesh sir and Farhan sir for giving me this opportunity. और जैसे इन बहादुरों में एक बहादुर ने बोला कि इट्स नॉट एक्सेल एंटरटेनमेंट, इट्स एक्सीलेंट एंटरटेनमेंट. आई वुड लाइक टू से कि मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा नहीं रहा. मैं ये इसलिए कहना चाहूँगी क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझे इतना स्पॉइल कर दिया एज एन एक्टर, मेरा ध्यान रख के इतना ज़्यादा ध्यान रखा कि अब जब मैं दूसरे प्रोडक्शन हाउसेज में काम करती हूँ तो मुझे लगता है अरे ये तो एक्सीलेंट का एक्स भी नहीं है, एंड आई थिंक आई वॉज डेफिनेटली स्पॉइल्ड. दे हैव ट्रीटेड मी सो वेल लाइक अ क्वीन, एंड आई डेफिनेटली वुड लव टू कोलैबोरेट विद देम अगेन, बट आई एम वेरी वेरी प्राउड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस फिल्म.
Thank you so much, Rashi. Farhan, a few words about, I think it's the first screen, right?
Not a lot of people know, but I want to say this, that, sorry sir.
Even you in college when I was doing something. Muchi lo pehle.
No.
Don't stop.
नहीं.
Bring it on.
Actually 10 साल पहले जब मैं मैं एक बार बोल देती हूँ. 10 साल पहले मैं मॉडल थी. मैंने नई नई मॉडलिंग शुरू करी थी और आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग ऑफ बिकमिंग एन एक्टर. तो तब मैंने एक एड करी थी, टीवी कमर्शियल फरहान सर के साथ. एंड 10 साल के बाद अब इस फिल्म में मैंने उनके साथ काम किया है. बहुत ऐसे लोग थे जिन्होंने ये नोटिस भी किया कि लाइफ डज कम अ फुल सर्कल, एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू हैव शेयर्ड द स्क्रीन विद हिम.
How beautiful.
You're okay, sir, now?
Yeah,
okay.
वो प्रोडक्ट इतना पॉपुलर हुआ कि यूनिवर्स कंस्पायर्ड टू ब्रिंग अस बैक टुगेदर.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Thank you so much, Farhan.
No, but it's actually been an absolute pleasure, Rashi, working with you. वो कह रही है कि this story found her. I believe it actually to be the other way around.
Wow.
I feel that parts find the people who are best suited to play them.
Sure.
And we couldn't have done better than get Rashi to do this role. She's incredible in the film.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I'd like to request the two of you in those amazing heels and me to kindly stay. I'd like to open the floor for media Q&A, but joining you, of course, can I please welcome back on the stage Ritesh, Rezi, Sparsh, representing the Charlie Company at this point, and Farhan's already here. Amit, if I'm not mistaken, is not with us yet. So could we please get mics for everybody on the stage? Thank you. And can I please request our cast and crew to step in alignment with the center of the stage? And at this point, we throw it open to the audience, and especially our friends from the media. You know how it works. If you have a mic, if you have a question, raise your hand. A microphone will come to you. And please ask the question to the person that you want to ask it to. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Hi everyone, this is Shubhra from ABP News. Farhan, my question is to you कि हमने अभी टीजर में दादा किशन सुना और सबने जयकारे भी लगा दिए, but we want to know more about Dada Kishan because clearly your name is Shaitan in the film.
Yeah, so it actually is the war cry of the Ahir regiment, and they are descendants of Lord Krishna. So when they call Dada Kishan is actually their great grandfather, Lord Krishna. So that's how they say Jai Tu before they go out to battle.
Thanks a lot.
Yes, her hand is raised there on the right, on this side of the screen.
Hi, Farhan. This is Shriyanka from CNN News 18. I wanted to ask you that it's been a long time since we saw you on that big screen. So, what was all that weight about? This story you wanted to tell?
Yeah, I mean, on some level, that is true. That is the truth. I do believe maybe I take films too seriously, so I always want to try and give the audience something more than just entertainment. Of course, entertainment is important. It's a part of coming to a theater and having a community experience of watching something. But to me, I feel that there has to be something more over and above that. So you can just call me fussy, I guess, for the lack of another word. I just wait for the right thing to come along, and I couldn't have asked for anything better than this.
So, when you heard the story, you were like, okay, now I want to come back.
Yeah, I also wanted to meet all those people that I met when they were little kids.
Well,
who were watching me shooting various films and doing different things in my life. उनसे भी मिलना चाहता था मैं, तो fortunately वो काम भी हो गया साथ में.
all right, thank you so much.
Hello. Here.
On the right, yes, at the aisle.
Hi, hello everyone. This is Komal Vishwakarma from IWM Buzz. Firstly, congratulations on creating such a brilliant film. मैं इसे देखना पसंद करूँगी. मेरा question रेजी sir और फरहान sir आप दोनों से है. रेजी sir, firstly I want to know from you is how will 120 Bahadur change the perception of Indian audience on war films?
Well, I hope to change the perception forever, because I grew up with war movies and Western, the Wild West movies, and my father was in the army, so I take it very seriously, because when I was growing up, I didn't see too many war films which were done properly. So I've been in the industry for 35 years, so I've used all my experience to shoot this war film to the best of my ability, and we've got a great crew, and they've done a fabulous job, so I think you'll be happy.
Thank you so much. फरहान सर आपसे जानना चाहेंगे.
All I can just add to it is to say that I hope that this movie inspires more writers, more filmmakers, more directors to look into our past and look into our glorious past of all kinds, because we have incredible moments of bravery, courage, decisions taken in the face of some tremendous adversity that now make us who we are and make us the country that we are today. So hopefully it'll inspire more people to go out and search for these diamonds that are hidden in the ashes of time.
Actually, I wanted to know from you is after spending so much time in the industry with so much experience, क्या अभी भी आपके लिए box office numbers matter करते हैं?
Well, the love of the audience does matter, and I think the most quantifiable way to put it, I would imagine, is a box office number. But what you want is for people to come in and love your film. I think that's what's really important. So that's what I'm focused on. I've always believed that with every single film that I've done up until now. The box office numbers, honestly, it's more for the entertainment of the public than it is for people who are making the film. So that's how I see it.
Hello, at the center here. शिल्पा हियर फ्रॉम मायापुरी मैगजीन. मेरा सवाल फरहान और राशि आप दोनों के लिए है. जिस तरह से टीवी कमर्शियल ऐड की आपने बात की, अब उसके बाद आई थिंक सिनेमा में एक फ्रेश पेयर जो है हमें देखने को मिलेगा और इतनी अमेजिंग केमिस्ट्री भी देखने को मिलेगी. क्या कुछ ऑडियंस को कहना चाहेंगे? आपका क्या कुछ अनुभव रहा एक दूसरे के साथ काम करने का?
Okay, I think I have to tell you this कि जब मैं as a model sir के साथ काम कर रही थी तो आई थिंक वो एक दिन काफ़ी नहीं था. आई थिंक हम वी बोथ वर वेरी रिजर्व्ड, तो हमने ज़्यादा बात नहीं करी. लेकिन जब आपको एक्सपीरियंस हो जाता है और आपको समझ आ जाती है कि बहुत सारे और भी दिन काम करने हैं, तो इट्स बेटर टू ओपन अप. तो जब हम इस फिल्म पे साथ आए तो आई हैव टू थैंक फरहान सर फर्स्ट, बिकॉज ही ब्रोक द आइस. मैं थोड़ी ऑकवर्ड हूँ, लेकिन सब बहुत ही अच्छे थे. एंड आई डोंट नो इफ अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल नो दिस, बट ही डज हैव अ ग्रेट सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर. आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू से दिस दैट वी नो हिम एज एन एक्टर, वी नो हिम एज अ डायरेक्टर. You probably also know know that he has a great sense of humor. लेकिन what I realized is, like my parents have always taught me कि अगर आप एक इंसान के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं तो आप देखें कि वो अपने आसपास लोगों को कैसे ट्रीट करते हैं, you know. And I think he treats everyone with equal respect, चाहे वो जो भी हो. And that's a quality that I have not seen in a lot of people, is why I cherish him more as a human being. Of course, I love him as an actor and a director, but I think I really, really like him as a person, and he's very, very inspiring, very, very disciplined, and I think अब तो सबको पता चल ही गया होगा कि अगर मैं कुछ बोलूँगी तो you know I'll genuinely mean it. I genuinely mean this, that the experience has been incredible, and I really hope कि मुझे ऐसी और opportunities मिले उनके साथ काम करने की. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hello. Farhan, you want to say something about?
Yeah, the first thing I noticed about Rashi कि वो हमेशा सच बोलती है. And I appreciate that about her very, very much.
स्पर्श मेरा
नहीं, मुझे कुछ बोलने भी दिया, वो मजाक था यार, प्लीज. No, very honestly, I have always liked to work with people who are serious about what they do, are sincere about their work, are committed to their work. That comes first, and that is the first thing that I noticed in Rashi when we started working together, that she was very, very committed to making sure that this role could be lifted from paper and be made into a flesh and blood person in a way that is very, very like commendable and very, very, very lovable in the film. That was important. And उसके बाद मतलब हमने काफी वक्त बिताया एक साथ, जब शॉट सेटअप हो रहा था ऐसी, तो यहाँ वहाँ की बातें बहुत हुई, and it was just wonderful to get to know you. I wish you all the best with everything. I know that she has a long, long way to go. This is her career just getting started. आपने जो भी देखा है, that's just a teaser. There's a lot more to come.
Thank you.
Sir, thank you.
Hello.
Hi, Anjulika here, center, sir. Just little off center from you. Yes. Hi, Anjulika here from IBP Chronicles. My question to raise is, sir, that Farhan is already a celebrated director. How was it directing a director?
Very tough. Very tough. Because he's very demanding. You know, I have to be up to the ball every single time. And there's not a single moment. You know, he gets up in the morning at 6 and he starts messaging me. So I have to be in top of my game to be working with a man like this. I really respect, you know, what he brings to the table as a director and an actor. But I have to tell you this, being an actor on the set, not once did he cross the line. You know, he gave me that respect as a director because he himself is a director, so he understands that. So I think we had a wonderful relationship here in this film. So, yeah.
So same question goes to Farhan, sir. So what were you thinking when he was directing you?
I wasn't thinking when he was directing. I was thinking about what I'm supposed to do in the shot. I was thinking about अभी एक बहुत लंबा टेक आने वाला है एक्शन का, तो मैं सांस कैसे पकड़ूंगा उस शॉट के बाद. So I was focusing on survival while he was focusing on how to set up the next shot and take the story where he needs to. No, but he's done an incredible job. I'm sure all the people sitting here will, उन्होंने कहा है जब वो स्टेज पे थे कि जो ड्राइविंग फोर्स है इस फिल्म के पीछे 100% without a shadow of a doubt, the creative vision that all of us have followed has been Razi's.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Amritesh sir, for Farhan sir, on your left, can you see me?
Fennel? That's on the aisle.
Hi. So since आपने ये teaser यहाँ launch किया इस theater में, so is it going to be film going to release in like IMAX? Is the plan on?
We are hoping. We have to check with Anil Thadani sitting here, who has to decide. Anil, are we going to go to IMAX or not? Yeah, he's put his thumb up.
Thank you sir.
Amazing.
Hello? Excuse me.
Yes.
Hi, this is Rohit from Radio City. I have a question for Farhan and as well as Persh. Recently, that one of the scenes from Laksh went viral, where there was a heated argument between the media and the person from the army that why war is important and change the perspective of the war. So when you when you play a character from actually playing the character from the army, when you finish that film, does that make any impact or change the perspective of the war? And does that create any impact as a human being when you finish that character?
जो मुझ पे इम्पैक्ट रहा है मेरे कैरेक्टर का, आई थिंक आई हैव बिकम मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबल क्योंकि एक बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है देश के लिए जाके वहाँ पे लड़ना, अपनी और जितने सैक्रिफाइसेस हमारे सोल्जर्स करते हैं अपनी फैमिली का, अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ का। तो जब मैंने इस फिल्म की जर्नी पूरी कंप्लीट करी उसके बाद जब मैंने देखा तो कहीं ना कहीं एक वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फैक्टर था जो जिस पे मैं अभी भी और भी काम कर रहा हूँ। और आपने जैसे बोला कि क्यों वॉर फिल्म्स इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, आई थिंक सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट टू इंस्पायर द यूथ, उनके लिए जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हमारे जो सोल्जर्स थे, जो ये सब वॉर्स है, इसमें कितनी बहादुरी से उन्होंने हमारी देश की सेवा करी है कि आज हम यहाँ बैठ के एक इंडिपेंडेंट कंट्री में बैठे हैं और हम आज हमारे पास हर चीज़ की फ्रीडम है। तो उस चीज़ को, उनके सैक्रिफाइसेस को समझना हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वॉर फिल्म्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट।
I think we can hear you.
Okay, this question is for all three of you. As filmmakers, a lot have been spoken about AI, and I want to know, as filmmakers, we have recently seen that, AI has always been used for good things as well as negative, but recently a film's climax was changed with the help of AI without consent of the filmmakers because a certain production house has the rights of it. I want to know your opinion, all three of you.
Well, I will always stand with the creator of the film. And if the creator of the film was unhappy about his or her work being changed, I will always support the creator. So that's where my loyalty lies. The rest, the finer print of what happened there, I'm not privy to, but that's all I can say about that.
Yeah, I mean, I agree with Farhan. I think AI is something we need to embrace and use in the most right way and effective way. And I've said this even before, like, there were times when, I'm talking of earlier times, when we used to do research based, going to a library, reading a book, opening that. Then Google came into our lives and we started doing it in a different way. I think you need to use AI smartly and don't get lazy with it. But I absolutely agree to the fact that you can't do it without the consent. If something which you say, I haven't seen this, but I've heard about it and read about it, and I don't think that's cool, that if the filmmaker as well as the actors and the people involved have not been given their consent, it shouldn't be done. So I think AI is here, but you have to use it very smartly and use it to your advantage.
Thank you so much, our friends from the media. Do you have... You like Rezi?
Actually, Rezi is not here, this is AI.
This is digital avatar.
Rezi, do you have anything different to say?
I'm good on this.
All right, thank you.
He's used nothing from AI.
Don't be lazy with it, but have Rezi on everything. Thank you, our friends from the media.
Hello, here.
Do we have time for one more?
Yeah.
No, I'm sure you do have a question. Do we have time? Yeah? Please go ahead, ma'am. But there is a mic already with somebody.
Here. Hello, Sparsh here.
In the middle, in the center.
Yeah, in the center.
Thank you.
या शिल्पा हियर मायापुरी मैगजीन से आपसे मेरा सवाल है, सिनेमा में बिग स्क्रीन पर आपका ये डेब्यू है और जहाँ पर एक बड़ी ऐतिहासिक कहानी का आप हिस्सा है, तो किस तरह से आपके लिए क्या कुछ टीचिंग्स रही है, पूरा एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा है आपका?
एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही अच्छा रहा है, स्पेशली लद्दाख। मैं पहली बार मैंने लद्दाख देखा और मैंने ऐसी जगह अपनी लाइफ में कभी नहीं देखी, और जितना ही सुंदर था लद्दाख उतना ही डिफिकल्ट भी था हम सबके लिए, बिकॉज दोपहर को लद्दाख बहुत ही विंडी हो जाया करता था, तो हम सबको परफॉर्म करने में काफ़ी डिफिकल्टीज रही हैं और बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट टेरेन था हम सबके लिए। सो ऑफ कोर्स इट्स लाइक अ लाइफ डिफाइनिंग मोमेंट फॉर मी, नॉट अ करियर डिफाइनिंग, आई वुड से इट्स अ लाइफ डिफाइनिंग मोमेंट, एंड आई लर्न सो मच, स्पेशली फ्रॉम फरहान सर. Watching him there, I've learned so much about the craft from him, and I'm so thankful to him and the entire team of Excel for giving me this opportunity. So yeah, thank you.
Hi, this is Rimana from Bollywood Reporter. Farhan, this question is for you. I see that you normally pick up a lot of biographies and you do take time. It looks like you're very patriotic, and there is a message that you're trying to give to the masses, that what we are or what we have done in the past. Can you throw a little light on this particular thing? Yeah.
That I don't go around looking to give messages, but like I said earlier, I would like to engage beyond just base entertainment. that is important to me. So I do search for stories that can resonate with human beings on a human level, and inspire you or make you think about something different in your life or something that's going on that you're unaware of, and maybe this will help you channelize your feelings and your thoughts. But that's really about it. And I mean, history is important. That makes us who we are. So whenever something does come along that can then showcase history in a positive way, in a way that is not prejudiced or biased in any kind, can show it for what it is, I'm happy to be a part of it.
Hi. Films, it's a bit of a saturated market right now. So as a producer, this is for you and Ritesh sir, how did you guys as producers approach that?
I mean, I don't know whether you call it a saturated market, because of late I haven't seen something like this, so I don't know why do you feel this. And besides, I think, we happen to be in a medium which is popular. You're here to tell stories, and I think also it's important at times, you bring certain stories to, rather than just entertaining and engaging people, which you must, you can also, it's your responsibility to tell certain stories and bring it to the forefront. And something like this, which I think like I said again, we are fortunate that Narpat Singh Ji gave us an opportunity of telling Shaitan Singh Ji's story along with the 120 Bahadur. So I think, it is completely engaging, it's very entertaining, it brings a certain thing to the forefront, which otherwise would have, I think, just lying there in history. It's been almost, I don't know how many years that nobody knew of this story. So I think the timing was right, and I don't think we need to worry about it, whether there's been enough stories and we still go out and watch them. As long as it's engaging and it says the right thing, you'll come in and watch it.
Hello, this is Siraj, from filmfestivals.com. Farhan and Raz, the first war film that we produced in India was called Hakikat in 1962, which unfortunately suffered from heavy censorship because an Indo-China ceasefire agreement was being negotiated at that time. So the valor and the bravery of the Indian soldiers at that time was severely censored and edited out from that film. More than 63 years later, this is before even Farhan was born.
Oh man. To know the context of this hug, you should have been in the theater for the entire duration of this launch. Siraji, please go ahead.
So now, so much time has passed and so much technology is available. These are two great factors in your favor. There is nothing to stop you. And I don't know whether the film has been completed and censored, but I do not foresee any problems and obstacles in your way. Have you really gone the whole hog and, gone into real details and the bravura, the saying in Urdu and Hindi ke कोई जंग में अपनी जान दे दे वो नहीं देखा जाता, किस शान से उसने जान दी वो देखा जाता है.
Thank you, sir. My father was in the army. I have a huge responsibility here, being an army officer's son, to do justice to something like this. I grew up with the story. I heard this story 20 years ago. I've been working on this film for 8 years now. And it's thanks to these two gentlemen here next to me that it's been possible to make this film. And we have worked very hard. Talking about the battle scenes, we have a team coming from Prague. They did All Quiet on the Western Front, which won many Oscars. So they've shot our battle sequences. So you'll be proud, let me tell you that.
Well, thank you so much.